Welcome to today's Hogcast. You know, all this COVID-19 scare, I just thought that we could all benefit from some perspective. You know, the world is a dangerous place, and so I thought we would research all the different ways there are that you could die. And so I think, you know, who knew that an average of something like 2 people die per year from falling vending machines. So be careful when you're walking in front of that vending machine next time. It could fall on you. But lightning strikes, 49 people. It was a number that actually surprised me. Plane crashes, 86 people. These are all annual numbers in the United States. Police officers, our brave men and women fighting on the front lines of crime every year, 146 people. Drowning, 1,576 people. Wow, that's a lot of drownings every year. Murder, 3,996. A lot of crime out there, I guess. That was another shocking number. Construction deaths, falling cranes, collapsing buildings, maybe construction workers on the highway. You know, we work in the highway industry, and a lot of people are killed through construction accidents. Nearly 5,250 people, a lot. Wow, in 2009, we had the H1N1 virus, 12,469 people. That, you know, really bad disease. But car crashes, 38,800, almost 40,000 people a year. And of those, 11,000 of those deaths are caused by drunk driving. You know, we can do so much better than that, but I thought you might be, you know, interested to see. Flu, just the ordinary flu, like, you know, basically this is a strain of the flu virus. I didn't realize, my wife tells me that the normal flu is a coronavirus, but with this COVID-19, you know, listen, the flu virus kills on average 59,000 people a year. Amazing, that's a lot of people. What about drug overdoses? And of course, this is voluntary, like you got to do that by choice, right? But nearly 70,000 people. What about obesity? 300,000 people. I think that was one of the most shocking revelations. Obesity kills 300,000 people a year. Cancer, 609,000 people a year. God bless the people that are searching for a cure for all the various cancers out there. Hey, the Spanish flu, 1918, killed 679,000 Americans. But to put this all in perspective, you know, I went on the record like 10 days ago, 7 to 8 days ago, and said that we are seeing the biggest overreaction. Listen, I get it, it's a public health crisis. For certain, we should be taking measures to protect ourselves and protect particularly our loved ones that have underlying health conditions, our elderly folks. You know, we should be taking extra measures to protect them. But my gosh, I feel like we've seen such an overreaction. Look at the COVID-19, 1,074 people in the US, and it could rise to 20,000. We're hearing speculation that number could rise to 20,000, which is a terrible tragedy. But bear in mind, that is 1/3 the number of people killed annually from the flu virus. So I really struggle to understand why such a violent overreaction to the crisis. Again, I agree that we should take every precaution to protect each other. But you know, the other thing that I thought was really interesting to point out is that, did you know that we have 100% mortality rate in this country? 100%. 100% of people who are born are going to die. And it's a great reminder that we were not made for this life. We were born to die and spend eternity with our Creator. You know, the word says, I'm the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. And whoever lives by believing in me will never, ever die. We were created to be in communion with our Heavenly Father. So I think the biggest questions are not, are you social distancing and are you following the quarantine guidelines, although we should all be doing those things, but are you ready? When your day comes, because it will, are you ready? Thanks for joining, and I'll see you on the next Hogcast.